So what do you do with your wood shavings besides try to be man glitter and throw it all over yourself? Or air freshener, smell nice in your house. Look at all this entire box full. And I'm not done cleaning up the floor yet. Had that little DeWalt hanging underneath my router table. Just making these couple little pieces here, and it makes a lot of shavings, which is crazy, right? So what do? You can do two things. One, you can give it to someone. So for instance, when you're in the country, you have people that have chickens. So that's phenomenal for chickens. So they'll give you that, and then you get 2 dozen eggs. Eggs are going up in price. Win-win. You both get something. Another thing, this is phenomenal to make your own log starters. So you take an old toilet paper roll, you take some old fabric softener sheets, throw some fabric softener sheets at the bottom to create a barrier, fill that up with your sawdust, and then cap it off again with your fabric softener sheets. You want to start a fire, you throw a couple of those in the center, and then put your log lined up kind of around in American Indian fashion, you know, little cones. And bam, you light that on fire. It'll smell phenomenal. Start right away without any kind of chemicals or craziness or gasoline on your fire. So just an idea. People are, instead of throwing away your sawdust, use it. Recycle by giving someone who's going to use it for something that's will be biodegradable. You can also throw this in your garden. That's really good too. Top it off on the top of your lawn, and then mulch it in. But just a couple ideas. And if you do something else with your old shavings, I'm curious to see what you do with them. Please like, comment, share, subscribe, and let me know what you do with yours. Thanks for watching. God bless.
Timothy's time to take